Our air fryer chicken wings are juicy and perfectly seasoned with lemon and pepper. Use a zester to remove the zest from the lemons. Allow the zest to dry on a paper towel. In a small bowl, mix the lemon zest, black pepper, salt, and garlic powder until everything is well combined. Pat the chicken wings dry and coat them in olive oil. Sprinkle lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, and salt evenly over the wings. Toss them to ensure they are well coated. Place the wings in a single layer into the air fryer for 25 to 30 minutes at 380 degrees. Flip them halfway through cooking. I love to top mine with fresh lemon juice before serving. You can find more easy chicken wing recipes on our website.